Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the overnight price action for the Australian dollar posted a long-legged doji. Now that in terms gives indecisiveness towards the upside. With the resistance respected at 65, I do expect to see further weakness in the coming session with the immediate target of 75.15. Today we have the Chinese industrial production figures and also the fixed asset investment at 12 noon today. And then tomorrow we have the Australian monthly employment report and also the RBA bulletin. As I mentioned, I do expect to see weakness coming in with the indicators slowly forming to a negative bias, but we do need to see a break of 74.70 to get that move lower. Well, as you can see, that the euro pretty much remains unchanged into the fourth day. However, the market is still expected to be bearish. Now, we do have the up-and-coming awaited release of the Federal Reserve with its latest monetary policy. I do expect to see a hike of 25 basis points. It is pretty much factored in at 90% at the moment, so the rates are now looking towards 1.25. If this is the case, then we could see further weakness, and a break of 111.70 would give the next move to 110.70.90, with the resistance holding at 112.45 and firmer with the monthly highs around 112.80. Well, the dollar yen case still very much holding to a slightly negative bias as it struggles to capture the 110 handle. Nevertheless, if we see a break above 110.30 today, this will give further scope up towards 110.60 or maybe even towards the 111 region. I still hold the view towards the low 109 to 108 as a bullish camp, and I do expect to see any further challenges towards that region to fail, with the indicators still holding to a potential bull move should eventually see a snap to the upside. Well, the market did recover slightly overnight, but still caps from that 127.70 resistance and still looking towards the support coming in now at 126.80 or lower down towards 126.35. It is viewed that the market will eventually take on the challenge towards the 125.50. The reason behind that is the fact that the uncertainty in the UK still remains since the hung Parliament, with the embattled British Prime Minister now called for a spirit of national unity, but still lacks the vital national Irish vote she needs to save her government. So I still expect to see weakness to continue, with the Brexit announced negotiations to be scheduled for the 19th of June. Well, as you can see, gold is trying to recover, but technically should fail. I still expect to see further tests towards 62, down to 56 with the objective of 48, with the resistance seen now at 12.69 to 75. And so wrapping up with oil, the market still contained from that 46.70.85 resistance, and it is viewed that the market will continue to struggle towards its top side while the technicals still hold to a negative bias. But do keep a little note on the stochastic as it comes through to a slightly firmer stance and could see a break above that 46.70.85 to rally onto 48.80 as an objective. But let's see in the next 24 hours if the market can take that challenge on. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.